So on Skills 5, like I said, it just has one problem on the whole page. It says a number pattern begins with the values shown. So they give us a list of numbers in a pattern. The pattern is 7, 14, 21, 28. Which table correctly represents the relationship between the position of a number in the pattern and the value of that number? Okay, this is something that, like I said, is not very difficult, but people do make mistakes on. They're asking you to look at a few things. They're asking you to look at the relationship, at the position, and the value. I'm going to circle those three words: relationship, position, value. Now I'm going to start off by showing you the position and the value, because those ones are the simplest ones to check. Those are also the ones where they like to try to hide mistakes. Okay? So we're going to start off with position. When they're asking you about the position of a number, what they're asking you is if this was a line of numbers, like if these numbers were people and they were lined up, what number is first? What number is second? What number is third? What number is fourth? Position is like its place. So what I like to do for position, right on top of my numbers, I write down the position. If this is the first number in my list, then its position is 1. If this is the second number in my list, then its position is 2. This is the third number, its position would be 3. The fourth number, its position would be. Now, sometimes they'll give me longer lists, means more positions, but for this one, it's just 4. Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. Like I said, this is a very simple thing to check, but it's also where they like to hide problems. Look at your answer choices. Every single one has a column that says position. So I'm going to look, and my positions are 1, 2, 3, 4. If my positions are not 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to get rid of that answer choice. Answer choice A, position 7, 14, 21. Those are not positions. I'm going to cross out answer choice A. Answer choice B, position 1, 2, 3, 4. That's okay. I'm going to leave it alone. Answer choice C, position 7, 14, 21, 28. Those are not positions. Or at least those are not my positions. My positions are 1, 2, 3, 4. I can cross out answer choice C. And answer choice D, position 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've got 2 answer choices that are good. Well, good so far. But again, look how easy that was. All I had to do was write 1, 2, 3, 4, and just like that, I get rid of 2 answer choices. I told you they're simple, but they like to try to hide mistakes. The next part that's simple is the value. The value is asking you what number is in the pattern. So what numbers did they actually give us? So to show my value, I'm going to circle them. These are my values. My values are 7, 14, 21, and 28. I'm going to look at my answer choices again, and I'm going to check the values. If my values match the ones they gave me, then it's good. If my values are different, then I can get rid of it. Answer choice A, I already crossed out. I'm not going to check it. Answer choice B, value 7, 14, 21, 28. All right, that matches what they gave me. Answer choice C, we already crossed out, so I'm not even going to check it. Answer choice D, value 8, 9, 10, 11. Those are not the values they gave me. Different value. So I'm going to cross out answer choice D. I only have one answer choice left. That's answer choice B. I didn't even have to do any math there. Well, I mean, I guess I had to do a little bit. I had to count to 4. That was it. That was all the math I needed to solve this problem. So they take up a lot of space. They look kind of complicated, but they're really not. You can check those two things, those two simple things, and usually you'll find an answer. Sometimes you might have to do a little more math, but usually you can get it down to at least 2 different answers, or even just find your answer right. You go to the next page, say skills 5, page 2, and it's got a very similar problem. Yeah, go ahead, Chase. This one, instead of being problem A, is problem B. A number pattern begins with the values shown: 3, 6, 9, 12. Which table correctly represents the relationship between the position of a number pattern and the value of that number? Almost the exact same thing. So we're going to do the exact same thing to solve it. I'm going to start off by checking the positions. Who can tell me what are the positions again? When they're asking for the position of a number, what do they want? Jadine? What do they want when they say the position of a number?
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Very good. And Bella, I saw you putting up your fingers. Very, very good. Position are like, if it was a line, who's first in line? Who's second in line? Third in line? Who's fourth in line? My positions are 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to get rid of any answer choice that doesn't have the right positions. F, position 3, 6, 9, 12. No. G, position 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's fine. Yes, Jadine.
I know the answer.
Ah, well, hang on. We're going to get there.
Okay.
Okay. Position 3, 6, 9, 12. No. J, position 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So I've got 2 answer choices left. Position is the simplest one to find. Value comes next. Value are the numbers that they gave me 3, they gave me 6, they gave me 9, and they gave me 12. So my values are 3, 6, 9, 12. I don't need to check answer choice F because I marked it off already. Answer choice G. Value 4, 8, 12, 16. Answer choice H I already marked off. Answer choice J. 3, 6, 9, 12. The only one left, and the position matches, the value matches. So answer choice J should be my answer. So these are not too bad, not bad at all. But I have a question for you. How do you guys think they're coming up with those values? 3, 6, 9, 12. That seems kind of familiar to me. Where are those coming from? Noah?
From the threes.
From the threes, like our threes song. That's the beginning of it. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. We could continue singing the rest of it, but that's just the beginning of our three song, isn't it? And look at what they did in the middle. The expression, the relationship. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. You're exactly right. All they did was they wrote down our threes song, our threes times table. And in the middle, they're telling us that's how they're finding their numbers. Times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3.